Kenneth Chimensi, a former teacher at Lusaka International School, has called on schools and other stakeholders to visit his camp in Mukushi, formed to help schools, among others, who are doing geography studies and those who want to appreciate nature. Cibweshi-Ku-Mansansa is a camp located in these mountains, among other places, where one can appreciate the beauty that comes from this part of Central Province. Here, a lot of activities have been created for school-going children to overcome some of the challenges. It's here where those doing geography can learn and see what happens in these mountains.
Whenever anybody comes to Cibweshi-Ku-Mansansa, whether it is a group of students or it is organization employees, our goal is to help such individuals undergo transformation. Cibweshi-Ku-Mansansa has been on record and people have testified how they get transformed. From the moment that they step their feet here, they get a different feeling about themselves. What we want to do is for people, young or old, to get engaged with nature. What we want is for people, children from schools or children from the townships, to be able to commit to creative thinking.
A group of teachers from Mopani Copper Mine visited the site. They told this reporter that the tour was part of the education study.
It is also an exercise which has got biological advantages because it's more like a gym. Then the other aspect is to do with the learning environment. Cibweshi-Ku-Mansansa actually provides a full range of learning activities. The geographical terrain, also when you look at the rocks that are here, it can be another teaching aid to the learners because they will learn rock formation, the stratification, the weathering patterns and things like that. It has got a very wide range of benefits. So actually our tour is more or less like a study trip.
As we interact with nature, we are seeing God's work and how we are made into being what we have seen. Also some learning points for the pupils, if we were to explain this to the pupils on geography, the formation of rocks, the types of rocks, the formation of soils. But so far it's been worth a while.
We always teach our pupils to say, after doing a strenuous exercise like this one, climbing high mountains or high latitude, you need to replace the water that you lose through sweating. So water is vital for life. It has been educative on my part, especially on the part of losing weight. Yeah, it's good for losing weight because we are burning the fats in our body, yeah, which causes some diseases such as obesity and heart disease. And by exercising like this one, the heart is working very well. Yeah, it strengthens the muscles of the heart.
This reporter also joined in overcoming some of the challenges mounted by the proprietor, Mr. Kenneth Chimensi.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Reporting for Prime TV News, I'm Matthews Ndandula at Cibweshi-Ku-Mansansa in Mukushi, Central Province.